Hi everyone, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This video is part 5 in the computing limit series. Okay, part 5 is to make a table so that you can estimate. When do you do this? You do this when everything else fails. Like you couldn't do it algebraically, you couldn't use one-sided limit, you couldn't use the sandwich theorem, nothing else worked. So when you see a function like limit as x goes to 0 from the right of x to the x power, like we don't know x to the x power. It doesn't look like anything that we can compute a limit of. So we go and look at the graph, and if you look at the graph right there, it looks like this, right? So you're like, okay, so it looks like it's approaching 1, okay? Now the next thing you could do is to make a table of values, and when we make a table of values, it looks like it is approaching 1, so that we can now make that estimation that the limit as x goes to 0 from the right-hand side, and we only are talking about from the right-hand side because that's the domain of that function, okay? When we have x as a base, x got to be greater than 0 as a base of an exponent, okay? So if all else, use a table of values and do an estimation. Okay, that's your last resort.